All right, we're going to be doing an install of the TourTop from Rugged Bound Big Country 4x4 on this beautiful Tundra, which a lot of you are going to recognize this from SoCal. This is Derek's. He's on IG if you want to follow, which is Tundra TRD 22, which is, correct me if I'm wrong, one of the first Tundras that in this color in 2022. Done a lot to it. Go look in the description. We're going to do a walk around video on this rig, so you can check that out. And of course, being at Cruiser Tech, there is an influx of cool Land Cruisers always coming in. So there's a nice 60 series. And Cruiser Tech, if you're in SoCal, there it is. It is the premier shop for Toyotas, 40s, 60s, 80s, 200s, and yes, Tundras as well. And on this Tundra, it has a stage 8 icon, just beautiful. So if you ever want to lift your Tundra, look no further, you can get it done here. So the TourTop that we're putting on is right here. Gonna share some of the install. I've already got a video out that shows kind of what the install is, so we'll just show a couple tips along the way and then show what it looks like on this rig. But definitely in the description of this video, this YouTube video, check that if you want to see a full walk around with Derek, the owner of this rig, kind of going over you know, what he did to it that makes it look just so beast-like. All right, we're gonna jump into it and start working on this TourTop. All right, so one of the first main things, you remove your factory piece here, so that is off. And then we get the chassis assembly. That's this big piece. We're just off to the side. We put our weather protectant here, and now we'll sit this atop and refasten with they supply with M6s, so you could use the new M6s versus the old ones we just took out. And we'll assemble the chassis on right now. Okay, these are the strut brackets. So when you put this in, kind of look at that distance we did. Got like about 1/4 of an inch here. Right where you want to put it. Hand tighten these down nice and easy. Make sure your thread's going right, because this will want to move up and down. Keep it straight.
Good, yeah. Does that look good?
Yeah.
Same spacing?
I think we're close enough.
Okay, let's lock it in.
Okay, we're gonna hand tighten the final bit by hand. And there it is on. So nice. So the key is, we were 3 people, you can be 2. Place this and kind of arrange it to make sure you are lining up these, right? You want to line those up, and in the center, it's a little bit wider. You can throw the bottom little bracket that you're going to screw into, and it's got obviously a security bit to put these in. And you need to be sitting on this to push it down, but as long as you can eyeball it from above and you see that the bottom piece that's going to be screwed into by the security bolt lines up, you're good. And you know, that's kind of the gap you're going to have, right? And what we also did is we took these hinges, the struts off. So we took them off here, we lifted it up, placed them, and then put the pin back in. You're just going to have an easier time because you can screw in at the bottom and then put the pin back at the top. And voila, how nice that is. Just adds a little thickness to the back, and it's so functional, it's awesome. So now we're just gonna put the security brackets here and here, which are these, and we'll be done.
Yeah, I need to get a...
It's a finished project, so it takes a little over an hour. Even doing this a couple times myself. So watching this video and the other one with the black Tundra is worthwhile. But that's with it up. We'll put it down in a second. Look how nice that is. And it can handle a lot of gear. Now already I've talked to some people that put some heavy stuff up there, like a water port. And of course water is going to be super heavy, right? I think for every gallon of water, it's 10 pounds. I had a fish tank once, and I think it was a 40-gallon tank, and once it was filled with water, it was 400 pounds. So water adds weight. So what you could always do, and you can message me if you want to have the link, or I'll put it in the description, you can do just heavier duty, like 100-pound, then 200-pound struts that are going to be stronger than these. So that's a tip that you can do. But look at that. Let's put it down. See how she looks. There we go. It has these nice new covers, something new that is going to protect your lock from water. Nice TourTop badging. I just have to put it on actually with one hand. Look how nice that is. So it makes it thick, like the badging is sweet too. Look at that. Let's get it from the other side.
Thank you. Came out good.
I love the badging too. Like it just matches the truck. This just looks so sweet. And that's with nothing on it yet. So you can put, you know, your spare tire up top there, because I'm pretty sure you can't fit 37s underneath, huh?
No.
No way.
Spare tire will be up there.
I'd have my mountain bike up there. That would just look sick. And just whatever gear, whatever you dream up, you can put back there. And then you can keep all your stuff secure inside because it locks. You get two keys. It's the same lock on each side, of course, and a set of 2 keys. And that looks great. But I mean, that looks awesome. This truck already was awesome, and that's just like an extra, you know, little finishing touch that gives it the difference, you know, that awesome look. So subscribe definitely to check out this video of the walk around. I'll do a walk around with Derek on this vehicle, so you can check that out too. And if you're interested in getting yourself a TourTop for your Tundra or whatever vehicle, they're also made for Jeeps. They're made for yeah, Fords, Chevys, F-150s. Definitely get yourself one and be able to pack on a bunch of different accessories. All right, well, thanks for tuning in, and also check out the walk around of this Tundra 2022 badass vehicle. We got to talk about that suspension. That suspension is super, super beef. All right, thanks for tuning in.